Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Garry's mod multiplayer. To begin, simply launch the game and navigate to the multiplayer section from the main menu. A stable internet connection is crucial for a seamless experience, so make sure yours is reliable. From there, you'll access the server browser, which displays hundreds of community-hosted games. This is your gateway to countless hours of fun with friends and other players online, offering a wide variety of experiences. Finding the perfect server is easy using the in-game browser. You can filter by game mode, map, or even the number of players to narrow down your choices. Always aim for servers with a low ping, ideally below 100 milliseconds, to minimize lag. If a friend provides an IP address, you can use the Direct Connect option. Be prepared for a brief download of custom content, like models or sounds, which the game handles automatically when you join a new server. Garry's mod boasts an incredible array of game modes, far beyond just the classic sandbox. You'll find popular options like Trouble in Terrorist Town, where you solve mysteries, or Prop Hunt, a hilarious game of hide-and-seek. Each mode offers distinct objectives and gameplay, ensuring there's something for everyone. Many servers integrate custom content from the Steam Workshop, adding even more depth and replayability. Don't hesitate to jump into various modes to find your favorite way to play with others. If you prefer to control the experience, you can easily host your own private multiplayer game. From the main menu, select Start New Game and then switch to the Multiplayer tab. Here, you can set up your session, choosing the map and game mode. You can invite up to 16 friends directly through the Steam overlay. Remember to adjust server settings, such as player limits and privacy, before you launch your game, ensuring a tailored and enjoyable experience for everyone involved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.